This is Indian style gas stove, and this burner has a problem. It's not burning. You can check here. So this problem maybe occur with every stove. The another burner is proper working, but this burner is not working. So what is the problem and the solution? Today we are watching in this video. Let's check it out. This burner has a problem. Let's open the screw. I will open this jet or a gas nipple and clean it. The gas flow is one side. This kind of action is dangerous for a child, so keep it proper protection. This is nipple or a jet, so clean it properly. This is needle and I am cleaned by the needle. All the muds are getting outside. Repeating it. And tighten by spanner. I am tied with a plier. Not apply much force. Let's check the gas flow. The flame is very good. Let's check with burner. Yes, it's okay. If you satisfy with this flame, then okay. Otherwise, you have to clean all the jet.